Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting what the Social Security system requires: your SSS number, a valid ID, and any civil registry papers that prove relationships. Once done, choose each beneficiary and how much percentage they receive. Be clear now to avoid edits later. Next, access the correct form, either the change of beneficiary form at a branch or the equivalent option in My SSS. Make sure document copies are legible and your contact info is current so SSS can reach you. You should fill the form carefully. Write legal names, birth dates, and relationships exactly as on PSA documents because discrepancies cause delays. While completing allocation fields, ensure the percentages add up correctly. If unclear, use whole numbers or standard fractions. Once entries are done, sign where required and add a thumb mark if instructed. Then compile all attachments in order: ID first, then supporting certificates, and staple or scan them consistently for branch submission or online upload. You now submit the package either in person at an SSS branch or through the My SSS portal. Insist on a receipt or confirmation number and write it down. After submission, monitoring is important. Allow the typical processing window, then call or check online using that reference. If you don't see progress, make sure names match PSA records and all required documents were included. Missing or mismatched papers are the most common cause of holdups, so correct those immediately to avoid further delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.